But sir, I'm a beginner. I want to know, is there any way to understand the large explained questions and how to debug the question? Give the whole process. Sir, but sir, as I'm a beginner, I want to know there any way to understand the uh, large. Okay. So I think if you are having a difficulty on large questions, right? So what I suggest you is, now what I am doing is going with the problem, and then examples, and then constants is much important, right? And then go with your this is what given in the problem itself. This will be given, however. Now we need to write what is our thought. Even you write it or you imagine in your brain, uh, it doesn't matter, but you need to get the intuition of how you solve it, right? Now you might be getting an like what topic I need to do, or what data structure you need to use, or what algorithm I need to apply. All these can be excelled or can be mastered only if you do more problems, right? It is something like if you have to predict that this is on binary search, you need to have uh, solved more than like 12 problems on that binary search. Then only you can understand and you can say that this problem is about this data structure and this algorithm. Okay, now you got the intuition. Now write the algorithm first. Like what I'll do is I'll write the code, because these are something like explain the process with an example. Okay, let's take uh, this problem, right? Reversion. Yes, this we can get more errors in this. There is a chance. Okay, let us take this example, but let me tell you, how it will go. Like first, I'll write the algorithm, whatever the language might be, or whatever the language might be. Write the algorithm first. I'll do this, I'll do that. No, nothing like in a technical way. The algorithm should not be in a technical way, that start and then end, nothing like that. But in your own words, write the algorithm. Now, after that, write a pseudo code for that. Pseudocode, and put these examples for this pseudocode and do a dry run. If these example test cases are passed, then only go to the code. Now when you are writing the pseudocode, you don't see for syntax, you don't see for any errors, semicolons and all. This is just a pseudocode. You just need to apply the examples of this pseudocode and do a dry run on that. Now, after that, after these test cases are passed, then go to the code, right? Now, what if it is not accepted? If it doesn't get accepted, then go to the pseudocode again and make changes, right? You need to rewrite the algorithm, rewrite the pseudocode, right? And then even if possible, you need to go to the intuition. There might be a wrong intuition or wrong process, uh, you might be going with, right? So there might be a problem that your logic is not right or not apt for the problem, right?